Hey everybody, in this video we have a 1 1/8 inch mortise cylinder. This is actually a US lock restricted keyway. It's like RX 1, 2, or 4. It's one of those. I know it's not 0 or 3. This is actually the key. This was on a restaurant. That's actually the bidding on it. It's like, I don't know, probably like 3321002 or something like that. Raked open pretty easily. I just happen to find the key sitting inside. And we're going to see if we can get this guy raked open here. It's raked open real easy on the job. Yeah, that easy. And go ahead and gut it. Might as well. I don't think it's master keyed or anything, but possible. The back doors are master key, but those were Yale keyways, and I don't know if anybody ever had keys to those, because they look pretty grimy. I had access to the door from inside after I got in the front door, so I took the mortise cylinder and actually made a key to get the kick cylinder out of the lever. Then I happened to pick that, and the mortise cylinder was way master keyed. Be careful here, the locksmith who put this in, their name is stamped on the other side of this key, and I don't want to show that here. And I guess we're too late for the pitting tray. Yeah, it was pinned all 6. Of course, the recurring joker in here. Anybody seen my tweezers? Nope, it actually is master key. There's a master wafer from number 1. Two. Three. Yeah, so far they're all actually loading these pins backwards too. It's stupid. Fix this here. This should be 1. Five. That would be 2. I think that's right. Not that it really matters, but anyway, it does. Not only is the bidding terrible on that, it's master keyed on top of it, so that's not a super secure lock as far as picking goes, but not super important as long as we can't just stick something in there and twist it and open it, I guess. But that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.